YOKINS hand-driven generator-type insulation tester metal body. In this video, we'll learn how to check if a hand-driven generator-type insulation tester is working properly.
When you receive an insulation tester, how you check it, that whether it's working fine or not. In open condition, when you'll rotate the handle, it should come on infinity. If the needle is staying before or after it's going beyond infinity, then you need to adjust it using this infinity adjuster over here. You need to rotate it, like see I have rotated it. Now you'll see it's not coming on infinity. Okay, now so you need to rotate this in another direction and bring this pointer on infinity. You need to set it minutely so that this comes exactly on infinity. Once you see that it has come exactly on infinity, now short the terminals. This earth terminal and line terminal, you need to short both of them together and then see whether it's coming on 0 or not. Now you can see that it's coming exactly on 0. So once the infinity is set, this needle will automatically come on 0. For 0 you need not rotate this one. This is only for adjusting infinity. If your infinity is set, then 0 will be set automatically. Like in this case you can see both 0 and infinity have been set. So if this is working fine, that means your insulation tester is working properly. Thank you.